everyone, this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I'm coming today to show you all the full process on how to make Shabby Chic love themed pyramid pop-up card. Let's take all your crafty tools and let's get started to make this beautiful card. I hope you will enjoy the process video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like my videos. Let's get started. So just starting, I'll start with the card. I have taken this base 6 by 12. I'll just measure it in front of you. So this is 12-inch by 6-inch. This is our card base. What you will need is you will need a compass, scale, scoring tool, pencil, and a cutter. So, and yeah, of course, a scissor. So probably these are the things you will need. I'm starting with this A4 size white cardstock to create our pop-up. I'll just tighten this pencil. So take the measurement of 4 inches. So the bigger the gap between rounder and the pencil, the more steep your pyramid would be. So keep your pencil in the middle. And draw a semicircle. Now, this was 4 inch. Now we will take 2.5 inch to make our pyramid. 2.5 inch. Keep a point somewhere here. And now draw all 4 sides. So this would be our one side. Seems like this is a bit smaller. You can create a little bigger. Let's do 2 3/4 for that. So 2 3/4. So we will consider our second line here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep this aside. Take your scoring tool, scale, mark this point. Now score all 4 sides. From this point to our first scored first point here on the semicircle. From this point to our second scored semicircle. From this point on the third line. From this point on the fourth. 1, 2, 3, and our last. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Now score from this point to this point. From this point to this point. From here now start from the closest edge. Start cutting. You will cut one scored line and the two scored line from here, okay? Cut at this scored line. Basically, it should be like this. Now, just cut two tabs because we need two tabs which will close underneath the pop-up. So make sure you leave enough gap for this and for this. So this is our first tab, this is our second tab, and from here make sure you cut another tab which would be here to this point, and cut the last scored line. So I'll show you how this will be. These are our four sides. I hope you can see this scored line. So four sides, two tabs, and the third tab from the point. So it should be like this. Now score it. Make sure you score it well so that you don't have to make a crease. And this last, so your pyramid is like this. Now see, you have this extra, just trim that extra out. First I'll draw so that I don't cut extra. See my pyramid, it goes well here. And now score these two tabs. Now what you will do, fold this like this and cut a little extra from this edge. So when you fold it like this, this should fold. Now make sure this overlaps here. Make sure this should not overlap. So let me cut a little more steep. The more you cut, the more it won't be overlapping on each other. Okay, so this is perfect, right? So let's glue this. So my tabs are glued and I have a perfect pyramid here. So we have to glue it like this. So before that, I want to paste pattern papers here and my designs. So let's do that first. So I took these two pattern papers and I have stick on our card base. We will do our front later. Now our pyramid. So what I have done is I have taken 4 pieces of cardstock which measures 2 3/4 by 4 inch. 2 3/4 by 4 inch. And what I will do is I will align it here and I'll make sure I point this tip. Now from this tip I'll draw a line to this point. So this will fit our pyramid here. If you find an edge pointing little upwards, then you can trim that off. It's okay. So follow the same procedure for these 3 pieces. I'll adhere these tabs with double-sided tape. Take your card base and make sure you align it in a way that these 2 tabs point here should come here and this point should come here. Just eyeball it. So my point comes little up from there, and what I'll do is, don't worry about the sides, we will cover up anyways with embellishments. So here you go. This is how our pyramid folds and pops up. Now what I will do is, I have some die cut flowers which I will stick here. I'll show you guys how. So that will be just a while after this.